Progesterone produces two most important functions. First of all, it promotes the secretory changes that are taking places in the uterine endometrium, and secondly, it prepares the uterus for the implantation of ovum. So, once a fertilized ovum has implanted itself in the uterus, the progesterone decreases the uterine contractility, which then prevents the expulsion of ovum from the uterus. Now, let's talk about the effects of progesterone on the fallopian tubes. Progesterone promotes and increases the secretion by the mucosal lining of the fallopian tubes. These secretions are necessary for the nutrition of the fertilized ovum, dividing ovum as it transverses from the fallopian tube before implantation. The important effect that progesterone produces in female breast is that it promotes the development of lobules and alveoli of the breast, causing the alveolar cells to proliferate, enlarge, and become secretory in nature. Progesterone also causes the breast to swell. Part of this swelling is due to the secretory development in the lobules and the alveoli. So guys, this was all from today's lecture. In today's lecture, we have talked about the ovarian hormones. We have talked about two major groups. The first one is the estrogens and the second one that we talked about are the progestins. We started with the intro of these hormones, then we discussed their chemistry, their synthesis, how they are transported in the body, and finally we talked about the functions of these hormones in detail. Keep watching sqadia.com and learn something new every day.